Thank you, sir. I thank the honourable member for the question. So McGusty Block was part of the old hospital, and in 1970 the United Kingdom government gifted Fiji the new Lautoka Hospital, which was opened in 1974. Since then, the McGusty Block had been used as an accommodation for our staff, predominantly the staff that are doctors and allied health staff, whereas the nurses continued to stay within the nurses' building. And then it was requested from Fiji School of Medicine. The students used that initially, the 60 students, and in 2000 they were able to build their own block and they moved down again, and that was then used again by our staff. In 2012 we had Cyclone Evans in the 2000s, and that damaged McGusty Block. It was repaired by the Minister of Health in 2012 and used again as an accommodation up until around 2016 when we had Winston and the other cyclones. The integrity of the building came into question, so that was then not used anymore. As we all know, that Healthcare Fiji is now going through the motions in terms of taking over and looking after both Ba and Lautoka hospitals, and this is now within their domain, which includes the old, now not used McGusty building. Thank you, sir.